So yesterday I got the differential in here. It was a bit of work. It's about 160 pounds, but it went in there and got it torqued down. Also, since the last video, I think I got the hub on. Upper ball joint on and torqued. Lower ball joints, so we're looking good. Steering rack is now connected. And now working on the front brakes. Willwood brakes. Got the disc connected to the top hat. Bolts are in and torqued. Now just need to safety wire them per the instructions here. And that's what I got planned for today. Get some brakes on.